Hi, my name's Patrick and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to insert a table into a Word document. Method number 1, select Insert at the top of your ribbon, click Table, and then here you can select how many rows and how many columns you want your table to be. I'm going to select 3 by 3. For method number 2, we select Insert, Table again, but this time we're going to select Insert Table. And here we can manually input the amount of columns and amount of rows we want. Let's say we want 6 columns, but 4 rows. We select that. And your AutoFit behavior. If you select this, it will change to a precise width you want your columns to be. Here you can select an AutoFit to content, the information inside your table, or AutoFit to window. I'm just going to keep it at auto. Then when you're ready, you select OK. The third method will require you to actually draw the table. Click Insert, click Table, click Draw Table. I'm now going to draw a table that has 3 rows. You can also just draw it in columns if you want. So that's 1 row, hold down your left click, 2 rows, and of course the 3rd row. Let's say now I wanted to insert some columns. 1 column, 2 columns. You'll probably notice straight away that my table is very uneven. To get it to be distributed effectively and evenly, we select the dial here, select it once. You know you've done that successfully because it's now highlighted. We then click Table Layout, and I'm going to click on Distribute Rows and Distribute Columns. You can now see that my table is evenly distributed. If you're not satisfied with your table and want to make some changes, that's absolutely fine. Right click anywhere inside your table, and here you'll notice you've got Insert. You can insert columns to the left, insert columns to the right, above, below, or you can specify exactly the same options here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to insert a column to the right. I click that once. If I wanted to insert a column to here, there's another option. Go to the top and you'll notice there's a plus sign. That indicates that it's going to insert another column to the right. If you want to insert some rows, that's fine too. Right click anywhere and just click Insert Row below where the cursor is or above. Additional way is click on the dial once more, click Table Layout, and of course you've got the options here. We can also go back to our drawing tool, click it once, and we can insert another column if you so wish. To even it all out, click the dial, click Distribute Rows, click Distribute Columns, and then it's now an evenly spaced table. To recap, to insert a table into your Word document, select Insert at the top of your ribbon, click Table, you can use the dials, you can click Insert Table, or you can draw your table. Make sure to subscribe for more Word and Microsoft tutorials.